Sisho mfethu ingoro sesibonene eshashaza ngathi uphayela umthakatho sewuphendulele umbuzo ofela ukuzwa abantu ukuthi nahambisa abantu bokufika abamnyama kuphela nithini ngabelungu cause they are plenty people kunezizwe nezizwe ezila ngongekho emthethweni baningi kakhulu abantu abamhlophe abakuleli ngongekho emthethweni nithini ngabo nahambisa laba nje base-Afrika bafana nani nithini ngabo uyaphendula ke lo mbuzo listen very carefully John.
Nothing is going to happen to this country. No infrastructure is going to be damaged. Akuzukushiswa lutho, akuzukubulawa lutho. We will be showing the government. We will be saying, government, look at us. We are 1 million men. We are saying one and the same thing. We are saying illegal immigrants must leave this country. Not only our black illegal immigrants, all races must leave this country. Abantu bayazi thina kasihlali kuma suburbs. Abanye bayasibuza ndaba ezithi abathi why ningabathinta abelungu njengamanje njoba sila ngabekho abelungu la asikwazi ukukhuluma ngabelungu ngoba abelungu abekho la asihlali thina nabelungu. Every man that is staying in a suburb or in an estate, if he's staying with illegal white people there, he must do his job also. He's a man. He must stand up and fix the country. Everybody must contribute in fixing this country, and everybody must take part in making sure that we restore the greatness of this country. Lelizwe lihle, lelizwe linemali, lelizwe lingakazi ukunakekela abantu balo kahle ngaphandle kweinkinga. Sicela lokho nje kuphela. Sicela kube nokuthula. Siyayiqala i-countdown. Akhona amamarch amaningi every day from tomorrow. Every day there will be an update ukuthi leading to the 30th what's going on and what's going to happen. Thank you very much.